How to download Zoom app on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Here, search Zoom download. Click on Download Zoom for Windows. Make sure it's the official website of Zoom. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, download the one you prefer for your device. After you download, you will find this kind of screen pop up. After downloading, install and finish the installation and log into your account. And after you do that, you can log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, after that, you can use the Zoom. This is how to download Zoom app on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.